Again. You gave her the hiccups. She thought that was hilarious.
Do it again, Rafi.
Show her again. Woo.
Do it again.
She's like, there we go.
Do it again now.
Anderson? Again. You're making her laugh. Okay, now your turn. Yeah, you did. Now she likes you.
Do it towards her.
Say punk.
Say it.
She likes you.
Yeah, let go of the red one. She's got the hiccups now from like.
Yeah.
It's only Sylvia's second time laughing.
That's her second time laughing.
Oh, take it off the oven. It's gonna pop up there. Get it, get it, get it, get it, get it.
She likes you.
One more time.
That's funny.
Okay. Good.